So, this is the first thing I'm going to do is teach you how to do braids in the morning. First, you have to brush your hair. Okay, you have to put your hair straight first. So you can do the braids better. If your hair's all messy, your hair the braids gets like all messed up. So you have to brush your hair a lot so it's not knotty. So now we're done brushing. Bow ready for my hair, and this is the bow I'm going to use. Okay, you have to get a little bit of hair, you have to pull it down so it gets really straight for the braid, so the braid is really good. So, the first thing, you have to take 3 pieces. You have to take the last piece to the other side, and the second piece to the other side. And then the first piece goes around, and that piece goes like that, and then it turns around, and the last one goes there. So, that's my first braid I did. I'm going to take this hair band and put it on my hair, like this. So, you have to go like this, pull that part and turn it around. Wait. This is how you sleep like this, so it can be curly in the morning. You have to take the bow and string it around, and then turn it over your hair and twist it. And that's how you do the braid, so your hair can be curly in the morning. Bye.